this is Smolny Cathedral. Now, this was built in the mid-1700s, and on top of that, we can go to the top. I don't know if you can see. We're gonna get some really cool views of the city. So just recently restored, because they haven't restored all of it. You can see behind me, not such bright colors. And now you've got the really bright kind of restoration. So as you walk to the top, it's a hike. Make sure you wear flat shoes. It's 200 rubles to get up there, but the views are really cool. Okay, I'm not kidding when I said it's steep, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, now we get to go all the way to the top. So come on. So where we're going. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So what's this? This is now what? The inside. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Is that the top of the dome then? That we were looking at. It's really cool in here. This really is the inner workings of the cathedral. Cool. Cool. Back to these. Ooh. Okay, oh, you can see. I think it keeps going. Wow. I'm out of breath. That is quite the journey. Wow. Hello, St. Petersburg. Okay, let's keep going, I guess. Okay. Okay, so there's still more to go. Oy, 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 oy. Okay, let's do this. It's getting wobblier and wobblier and narrower, darker and darker. Okay, we're almost there. It's absolutely beautiful. Not the typical cathedral that everyone comes to visit, but definitely worth checking out.